A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. Take a deep breath in. As you slowly exhale, feel the tension in your body melting away. Allow yourself to relax into the moment. Now bring yourself to the feeling of strength that exists within you. Maybe small at first, like the spark of energy waiting to be ignited. Focus on this spark and direct it with each inhalation until it grows into an inner fire that radiates throughout your entire being. Feel its warmth as it surrounds every inch of your body and fills you with immense power and confidence. As you sit in stillness, notice how strong and capable you are despite what life throws at you. Remind yourself that no matter what comes up, you can draw upon your inner strength to find the courage and resilience needed to persevere. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Stay here for a few moments, feeling your natural power and might grow with each inhalation until it reaches its full potential. When you are ready to take this newfound energy back into the world with you, breathe in and breathe out. Remember that no matter what challenges arise, you can always call upon this internal source of strength and courage. You have absolutely everything within you that it takes to succeed. It is there. Now go out and show the world just how strong and unstoppable you truly are.